Hello, friends and well-wishers of Gandhian fraternity. As we all know, we are passing through a very critical juncture due to unforeseen danger because of pandemic coronavirus around the world. We should be able to fight it out with courage and strong determination and stand up jointly with our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, and Srimati Mamata Banerjee, Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, and other respective state governments in this hour of emergency. Pray that we all emerge out of this current critical situation strongly and with good health and great spirit. Perhaps you're aware that Harijan Sevak Sangh, founded by Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1932, is the mother of all Gandhian organizations and is working for the achievement of its laudable aims by executing different socio-economic development projects and training for the uplift of the weaker section of the society throughout the country through its various state branches, associates and affiliates following Gandhian ideas and ideals. G.D. Birla was the first president of the Sangh, while the illuminaries like Gandhiji, Thakkar Bappa, Mata Rameshwari Nehru, Padma Vibhushan and Member of Parliament Ms. Nirmala Deshpande and many others remained the friend, philosopher and guide of the Sangh till their demise. Now, eminent Gandhian of the country, Professor Dr. Shankur Kumar Sannal, former Justice of the Peace and Senior Advocate of Calcutta High Court, is the President of the Sangh. The most remarkable landmark in the annals of the Sangh is that late Sri K.R. Narayanan, former President of India, got his education through our ashram school at Kerala, and he mentioned this fact in his autobiography and in several addresses by emphasizing that I am a product of Harijan Sevak Sangh. Harijan Sevak Sangh's Bengal state branch is situated at Howrah and is working throughout the state through its number of branches, affiliated and associated organizations spread all over the state for the accomplishment of such lofty aims by implementing multifarious schemes of socio-economic and cultural developments and for realization of human rights, gender rights and inhuman exploitations, executing creches, residential primary school, open shelter for children in need of care and protection, etc. For child education in 11 districts catering few thousand children of the weaker section. HSS Bengal branch had been adjudged the #1 agency for the promotion of non-conventional energy in the entire country, which installed more than 4 lakhs smokeless chullas for protection of environmental and ecological balance. Sangh conducted different training and awareness generation programs. You can know more about us by following our website www.gandhiinternationalmission.org or Google us at Wikipedia. For further communication, you can write us at hss_Gandhiji@hotmail.com. Howrah being a hotspot identified by Government of India and Government of West Bengal, here HSS is working relentlessly in the present crucial time by supporting shelters in our home to street dwellers who has no secure place to stay or food to eat. I would also like to share that we are distributing food rations and vegetables to the poor family who are not earning any wages due to the lockdown. Apart from this, Harijan Sevak Sangh and its associates contributed their lump sum amount to the Emergency Relief Fund of Honorable Prime Minister of India, West Bengal State Emergency Fund and other respective Chief Ministers Relief Fund according to the capacity, which is more than lakhs of rupees. We have no words to express our gratitude to all the doctors, nurses, conservancy and support staff, emergency and essential departments and agencies, media people, police administration, government officials and many others also should be praised for all the laudable part they are playing in this critical time around the clock. We look forward for your support as all your contributions will be at safe hands of our esteemed organization. Please share the words with your friends, colleagues and family members. I am providing you the bank details. Harijan Sevak Sangh Bengal, Bank of India, Ghushuri Branch, Howrah, account number 428010004290, IFSC code BKID 004280. We expect your blessings and good wishes. Thank you. Be safe, be at home, keep blessed.